uJesu Kristu
Jesus Christ,
uma abapostoli bembuza
when the apostles asked him,
ukuthi sithini na ukwenza imisebenzi kaNkuluNkulu,
what should you do to do the works of God?
uthi kholwani
He said, believe
kulowo othunyiweyo.
unto the one who is sent.
Lokho kusho ukuthi
That simply means
lento esithi ukholo
that which we call faith.
akona ukukholelwa nje noma kuyini,
It's not in you believing in
kodwa
anything,
kukholelwa kulento uNkulunkulu ayithumile,
but is to believe or have faith unto what God has sent.
ukukholelwa kulo uNkulunkulu amthumile.
Is to believe unto the one that God
Isimanga
has sent.
sento
This is what is surprising.
uJesu akathi kholwani kimi,
Jesus did not say, believe unto me.
uthi kholwani kulowo
He said,
othunyiweyo
believe unto the one who is sent
kuye.
by him.
Now lesi statement lesi
This statement itself,
sifike sixake kancane
it troubles us somewhere.
ngoba kuMateyu 40
For in the book of Matthew chapter
uthi
40,
yena
he says himself,
uthi yena
he says to himself,
abazwe nina
those who have listened unto
bazwe
you
mina.
have listened unto me.
Kusho ukuthi nalaba abathunyiwe.
It simply means even these ones are also sent.
Uyabona ke iwari yami
My worry here,
uma uJesu ethi abazwe abapostoli bazwe yena,
when Jesus is saying those who have listened to the apostles have heard him,
abapostoli bathi abezwe laba ababathumile
the apostles are saying if those that have
Bazwe
heard the
bona.
ones that have sent them, they have heard them also.
uma manje
If now
sithume ubabunene ukuthi asikhulumele la,
we send Father Gnana to speak on our behalf,
uthi wena
then you say
akuyena walenkonzo,
he does not belong to this church.
ngiyavuma,
Yes, I agree.
kodwa uthunywe ubani ukuthi
But
amen.
who has sent him to come and speak here?
Manje kusho ukuthi wena
It simply means you
awunalo ukholo,
don't have faith.
ngoba lo kholo esikhuluma ngalo
For the faith with which we speak
ukholo kulowo othunyiwe.
is believing unto the one who is
Nonke
sent.
ke
You, all of
nibekelwe
you,
abaholi phambi
you
kwenu,
are given officers before
bathunywe
you.
ubani?
Who have sent them?
Kulo othunyiwe.
Is sent by the
Uma
one who is
ungakholwa
sent.
kubo,
If you don't believe unto
uyokholwa
him,
kanjani
how
kuthunyiweyo?
will you believe unto the one
Ishwa
who
ke
is
lo
sent?
muntu
Then this show with the person
ongakwazi ukukholwa kothunyiweyo.
who cannot be able to believe unto the one who is
Uyabona
sent.
uNkulunkulu
You see, with God,
uthume uJesu Kristu.
God sent Jesus Christ.
Wathi sonke asiplage
He
lapha.
said all of us, we should plug unto him.
Kodwa kasukanga athi sonke nje sibe indidi siyoplaga
But he
lapha.
did not say just all of us should come together and
Uthi
just rush to him.
kuPeter,
He says to Peter,
mayesuka yena
when he's departing or
eya
leaving,
kuyise,
going to his father,
uthi
he's
kuPeter,
saying to Peter,
ibandla lami
my congregation,
ngiyolakhela
I will build it
phezu kwalolwalwa,
upon this rock,
phezu kwaleli dwala
upon this rock,
luwena.
which is you.
Inkinga ke ekhona ile,
The problem that we have is this.
God became flesh.
uThixo waba inyama.
Lokho kusho ukuthi
That simply means
mayengena kuJesu,
when Jesus came,
inyama kaJesu qobo
the body of or the flesh of Jesus
yaba
himself
uNkulunkulu.
became God.
Njengoba uNkulunkulu mayengena kuwena,
As the same as God enters
inyama
into you,
yakho uqobo
your body itself or your flesh itself
iba uNkulunkulu.
becomes God.
Ngakho umuzi uJesu Kristu ethi,
That is why you hear Jesus Christ
uma
saying,
ningayidlanga inyama yami,
if you have not eaten my flesh
niphuza igazi
and
layo,
drank my blood,
aninakuphila naphakade.
you don't have life eternally.
Ngiye ngixakeke ke
I become troubled.
nonke la
All of you here,
namkeliswe umoya
you
oyingcwele.
were given the Holy
Ngamanye
Spirit.
amazwi ninoNkulunkulu,
In other words, you have God,
kodwa niyakwazi uxabana,
but you are able to be loggerheads.
niyakwazi uthukana.
You are insulting one
Uma
another.
uthuka umfowenu,
When you insult your fellow brother,
ucabanga ukuthi uthuka bani?
who do you think you are insulting?
Uyabona indlu ngayakho iqede,
You can build a house and complete it,
uhlale ngaphakathi kwayo,
and staying in that house.
abuye umuntu ngokunyanya wena
But because the person hates you, he comes
ashaye lendlu yakho ngamatshe.
and throws stones at your house.
Indlu soze isuke iyoshaya lowa muntu.
The house will never move to go and punish you or beat you.
Kusuka umuntu
It
ongaphakathi
will be the person that is from within
axabane nawe.
who will fight with you.
Nibheke into yokuthi nixabane noNkulunkulu ohlezi kulolu doko.
Be careful of you being in loggerheads with God, dwelling in that wall,
Ulibele ukuthi ulwa nomfowenu
while you think that you are fighting
kanti
against your
solwa
brother,
noNkulunkulu.
only to find that now you are fighting against
Sasa
God. Tomorrow,
uma zikubuyela
when they're coming back,
uzothi
you will say,
uzondwa ngabantu
when things are hard on you,
kanti
you
ushaywa
say,
uNkulunkulu.
because you are punished by God.
Fundani ukuthandana.
Learn to love one another
Nifunde
and
ukuhloniphana.
learn to respect one
Nithathe
another
lo mona wenu
and throw away this jealousy
niuvalele.
and close it.
Kuleya closet ningena kuyona ningezinawo la.
The closet that you enter
Ningangeni
in,
nawo futhi emizini
do
yenu.
not bring it here or in
Ningangeni
your
nawo
homes.
nasemisebenzini
Even in
yenu.
your workplaces, do not take it with you.
Leyo nto izonika ubomi obude.
That will give you a long life.
Ngizoyiphinda lento nginiyeke nihambe.
I'll repeat this and let you go.
uNkulunkulu Baba
God our Father
wafika kuAbraham.
came to Abraham.
Mayefika kuAbraham
When he came to Abraham, he
wambusisa.
blessed him.
Mayeqeda umbusisa
After he has blessed him,
uthi yabona ke
he says, you see,
abakubusisayo
those who bless you,
ngiyobabusisa
I will
mina
bless
Jehova.
them, me as Jehovah God.
Abakuqalekisayo
Those who curse you,
ngiyobaqalekisa.
I will curse them.
Kulula
It is
ukuziqalekisa.
very simple to curse yourself.
Qalekisa lento uNkulunkulu ayibusisile.
Curse the very thing that God has blessed.
uNkulunkulu uyoqalekisa wena.
God will curse you.
Kulula futhi nokuzibusisa.
It is also simple and easy to bless
Busisa
yourself.
lento uNkulunkulu
Bless that which God
ayibusisile.
has blessed,
uNkulunkulu uyobusisa
and
wena.
God will bless you in return.
Ukukholwa ke lo.
That is to have faith,
Ukuba ngqondonye
to be of the same mind
noNkulunkulu Baba.
with God our Father.
Uma uNkulunkulu Baba
If God our Father
ukuphathele isitha
is giving you an enemy,
indoda yokuzonda noma sawuhamba
a
lapha
man who hates you wherever you are,
thanda isitha sakho.
love your enemy.
Sithande lesitha
Love this enemy.
ngoba uNkulunkulu akenzanga ngamistake ukusizisa la.
Because God did not do a mistake by
Iba
bringing this enemy
ngqondonye
here.
noNkulunkulu
Be of the same mind with God,
okuphathele izitha.
who has brought enemies
Ufuna
unto
ukuthi
you.
mawahamba phambi kwezitha zakho
When you walk before your enemies,
uthi
you must say,
noma sengahamba emfuleni wethunzi lokufa
even when I walk in the valley of the
angesabi
shadow of death,
lutho
I fear
ngoba
nothing,
unami wena.
for you are with me.
MawunoNkulunkulu
When you are with God,
usisabani isitha sakho?
why are you afraid of your enemy?
Ngiyabuza,
I'm asking.
ungazibuhlala inhlanganiso ngeenhlanganiso uxoxa ngesitha sakho?
Sitting meetings and meetings discussing
Igama
about your
lesitha
enemy.
sakho aliphele emlonyeni wakho.
The name of your enemy should be depicted in
Musudumisa
it. Don't
isitha sakho.
glorify your enemy.
Mawufika la
When you come here,
ukhuluma ngalomuntu
you
kambi.
speak about this person
Mawufika
evil.
la
When you come
ukhuluma siyaku-understanda umthandi isitha
we
sakho.
understand you that you don't like him. He is
Kodwa
or she is your enemy.
awumqondi ukuthi uyakulawula.
But can't you see that he's
Ngoba
taking control
ingqondo
of
yakho
you?
ayikwazi ukuthula ingakhulumanga kambi ngayo.
Because your mind cannot rest without
Umbuzo
you
uthi,
speaking ill. But the question is,
Use umpostoli,
are you still an
use
apostle?
umthunywa
Are you
kaNkulunkulu,
still the messenger of
noba
God?
ungumthunywa wezoni.
Or are you the
Bonke abantu abakonayo
the messenger of the sinners, those who
kuphuma
sin you,
bona la emlonyeni
are
wakho.
what comes out of your mouth.
Ivangeli yolishumayela nini?
When are you going to preach the
uJesu
gospel?
Kristu uthi,
Jesus Christ says,
uthi umoya wenkosi uphezu
the
kwami.
Spirit of the Lord is upon
Uthi
me.
ingigqobele
He has anointed me
ukushumayela indaba ezilungile
to preach the good news
kumahlwempu.
to the poor.
Wena
What about you?
indaba ezilungile lezo zikhulumayo
Are these the good news that you
ngomfowenu
are speaking
ngodadewenu
about
ngenceku
your brother
yakho
or your
ngencekukazi
sister?
yakho
or your own wife.
awuboni into yokuthi
Can't you see that
awulivumi ukholo
you don't accept
Ma
faith?
ushona
When you die,
siyoma phezu kwethuna
we will
lakho
stand above or on top of your
Sikuthumele.
grave and commission you
Sithi
and
hamba
send you.
ngoxolo.
Go in peace
kweli lizwe lensisi nenhlupheko
from this world of hardship.
ngeke usuku uhambe
You won't just walk
ngoba
away
inhlungu nenhlupheko uhlezi kuzona
because you are dwelling in these hardships.
ngeke usuke la emhlabeni
You won't just leave this earth,
ngoba uhlala uphila ngenhlungu nenhlupheko
for you live with all the hardships
uloku
and the
ukhuluma
pain.
ngenhlupheko
You always speak
uloku
about the
ukhuluma
pain.
ngensisi
Always speak about the
awudlule
hardships.
la ensizini
Go past all these hardships and
akuyona
pain.
indawo yakho le
That is not
ma
your place.
uwile
When you have fallen,
uvuka uthinta
rise
udaka
and dust off
uqonde
yourself
phambili
and face forward.
phambili alukho lo
There is
daka
no mud in the place where you are
awungeke
going.
uhlezi la
You can't be
ucomplain
dwelling
ukuthi
here.
le ndawo iyawisana
But you
le
can
ndawo
see that
iyawisana
this place is
phakama
slippery. Stand up.
sizothi ngena
Enter. We say enter.
phakathi kwabafeli lizwi
Within those who died for this word.
nabavumi bokholo
Those who have accepted this
uvuma
faith.
okholo wena
How can you claim that you are one who
olokuthukana
accepted
ney'nceku
faith
zakho
if you are always fighting with your officers?
ukholwe phi
Where are you having
ngoba
this
lolu
faith?
kholo ufuneka ukholo kothunyiwe
For you must believe unto the one who
unkulunkulu
is sent.
uthumele nceko kuyona
God has sent the
wena
officer
uphilela
before you.
ukuyithuka
You always insult this
ngamanye
officer.
amazwi
In other words,
awuluvumi ukholo
don't accept
ngoba
this faith.
ukuvuma ukwenza umsebenzi
For you don't
kaNkulunkulu
allow yourself to do the work of
Okukholwa.
God, which is believing
kulona othunyiwe
unto the one who is sent.
uthi uyoya nje kule ndawo othunyelwa kuyo
Do you think you will go to a place where you are being sent off?
phila impilo
You live a life
yokukhalaza
of complaining.
uyabona funeka ufunde ukweneliseka
You must learn to be content
iyo yonke imeko uNkulunkulu akubeka kuyona
with all the circumstances that God
ngoba
has put you under.
akakubekanga ngemistake
For he did not put you there by mistake.
uma ukunike ukuhlwempuzeka
If he has given you poverty,
kufuneka wazi ukuthi
you must know that
uma umpofane
when you are in poverty
ukhona
or poor,
uyise wempofane
there is the father to the poor.
bonke
All
abakholwa kuyena
those who believe unto him,
uyoshumayela indaba ezilungileyo kubona
the good news shall be preached
uma
unto them.
ungenalutho
When you don't
kodwa
have
funeka
anything,
wazi
you
ukuthi
must know that
indaba
the
ezilungile
good news,
indaba ke ilunga
for a news to be
mayizisa
good,
uxolo emphefumulweni
when it brings peace in your
ihlalisa
soul
uthando enhliziyweni
and makes love to dwell in your heart.
athi uJesu Kristu
Jesus Christ says,
ngono uye
it's
uyimpumputhe
better to go when you are blind
ezulwini
in heaven
kunokuyi namehlo amabili
rather than going there with two
Inkinga
eyes.
yethu,
Our problem,
sibona too much
we see a lot.
masiqeda ubona
After we have seen
ezinto
the
sizibonayo
things that we see,
zithunyelwa ngamehlo engqondweni
they are sent to the mind by the same
sibuswe
eye.
yilezo zinto
And now we are offended by the
athi-ke
very things.
uPaul
Paul,
ifikile indodana
the Son of
kaNkulunkulu
God has come
yasinika
and
ingqondo
he gave us an
wena ifike
understanding.
yakunika ini
What is that that is given
amehlo
unto
akho
you?
afikile
Your
wena
eyes came
akunika ingqondo
and gave you an
yokungamboni
understanding of
uNkulunkulu
not seeing God. Yes.
you know mawuloko ipapa yakho nenyama
If your porridge and meat
ikugxeka nokuthuka abazalwane
is also to accuse, always
kusho
to accuse the
ukuthi le
brethren,
ndaba zakho ezingalunganga
it means all these bad news of yours,
sezikuphendule wena
they will make you to repent
waba
and you become
ngumtyholi wabazalwane
the accuser of the brethren.
umtyholi ke wabazalwane
The accuser of the brethren
usathane
is the devil.
ungathi uhlezi la
While you are seated here,
ucabanga ukuthi wena umzalwane
you think that you are a brother,
ucabanga ukuthi
you
udade
think you are a sister,
kanti uqobo likasathane
but you are the real
ngoba
devil.
kuwe
For
ngaphakathi
therein in you, it
uphila ukukhalazela
is
abazalwane
all the complaints and
Ukhalazela
accusations of the
inkonzo.
brother, of the accusations to the
ukukhalazela
church,
izinceku zakho
complaining about your officers.
ukhalazela namakhosi akho
You complain about your
Ukhalazela
royal
yonke
family,
into
your
ephambi
kings,
kwakho.
everything before you complain about it.
mase sikubhekile ke
When we look at you,
uzoba isithandamali
you will just be the one who has
that
love
is
for
why
money. Kungakho-ke,
uPaul Paul
Apostle Paul
athi mayifundisa umveleli
says when he teaches
athi
the overseer,
akungabi isithanda
he
mali
should not be the lover of money.
akube
He
indoda
must be a man
ephilisana kahle nosapho
who
lwayo
has a good well-being with his own
uzoze
family.
enkonzweni
You'll come to the church,
every day
zonke insuku.
ushiya nalo mfazi
You
ngasemva
leave your wife behind
ngokuxabene naye
because you are in
umbuzo
loggerheads.
engukubuza
The
wona
question I'm asking you,
uzokhonza bani
who are you here to worship?
bani lo ozomkhonza
Who is here that you are coming to worship?
ongihlukanisi
Who is the separator?
usathane
Is the devil.
usuke naye endlini
You left home with him
wazongena naye
and you
enkonzweni
entered the church
ma
with
ufika
him. When
enkonzweni
you come
into
here,
ekhulunywayo nje
everything that is said,
ijoke nje encane
just a joke,
iyakuthinta
it touches you.
sophakanyelwa umoya
You are just being lifted
ufuna
up.
ukulwa
You want to fight.
because you are an accuser of brethren
Ngoba nguwe umtsholi
sowuphenduke
wabazalwane.
wena
He's trusting in you.
waba usathane
You have changed now to become the
you have
devil.
been transformed
Utshintshiwe
inkohlakalo
by the cruelty,
lokuthanda imali
love for money,
lokuthanda amawonga
love all the dignity and the positions.
abantu la emhlabeni
People here on earth,
banenkinga yokukhonza
they have a problem with
uthi
worshiping.
mayehlezi la
As he's seated here,
ufuna iposition
he wants a position.
kodwa kabizelwanga position
But
la
he was never called here for
ubizelwe
position.
ukuthi
You
azokhonza
were called here to worship and
ngamanye amazwi
work.
azokwenza konke uNkulunkulu amthuma kona
Do all what God sent
yena
him to do.
mayifika la
When he
uthi
arrives
le
here,
nkonzo le
he says this church
ayikhokhelwa kahle
is not led properly.
umbuzo
The
uthi
question is,
le ngqondo uyithatha
where do you take this mind from?
angithi bowuzokhonza
You
la
came here to worship.
ngamanye amazwi
In other words,
ukukhonza ukwenza into oyithunyiwe
To worship is to
wena
do that
endaweni
which
uba
you are
wenza
sent
into
to do.
oyithunyiwe
You are not doing what you
ufuna
are sent to
senze
do.
izinto osithuma
You
zona
want us to do the things that you're sending us to do.
manje
Now,
awuzulunga kulonqubo
you won't succeed in Father Nonquga.
Thandaza, thandaza, uThixo wami kuze kube angothandaza, thandaza, uThixo wami kuze kube phakade awutshele mina
Tell me,
uyazibona nawe
you can see yourself.
you are dissatisfied
Awukho happy.
usenkonzweni
You are in the church.
uyoba dissatisfied kanjani uma ungavulela ezulwini
How will you be dissatisfied when the heaven is open for you?
ngeshwa ke
Unfortunately,
ezulwini
in heaven,
azingeni izideleli
all those who are disrespectful don't
nabantu
enter.
abangonelisekanga bangeni
People who are dissatisfied don't enter.
lento yenza ukuthi ungangeni
This that makes you not to enter,
awunabhizinesi lapha uxolweni
don't have the business in peace.
funeka uqale izulu
You must first in heaven
usaphila
establish heaven
That's
while you're
why
still in
Jesus
flesh.
ethi,
That is why Jesus is saying,
loya yakhona
the one who is heading there
ovela khona
is the one who's coming from there.
that's why umpostoli Ndlovu
That is why Apostle Glove
wayesifundisa ukuthi
used to teach us that
asakhe izulu asakhe izulu lonke asakhe izulu asakhe izulu lomphefumulo into yenza ukuthi sishumayele
what makes us to preach
ngoba uNkulunkulu waba inyama
is because God became flesh.
senzela uNkulunkulu abuye
We want God to return,
azokwakha ngaphakathi
to
kwakho
come and dwell in you,
wena ube yizulu
and you become heaven
lomphefumulo wakho
of your own soul.
uthi mawusuka kule nyama
As you depart from this flesh,
uye kwelinye izulu
you go to another heaven,
ngoba uqhelile ukhokhelwa umoya engcwele
because you are used to be led by the Holy
izulu ke
Spirit.
ileyo ndawo yoxolo
Heaven is a place of peace
lapho umoya engcwele Ngcwele uphila khona.
where the Holy Spirit dwelleth.
Uma ungawuvumeli uphile ukhokhele,
When you don't allow him to live and lead
Usaphila.
you while you are still in
ungabi
flesh,
nalo leli themba lokuthi uyofuye khona.
there is no hope that you will ever get there.
As many as they are led by the Spirit,
Bonke abakhokhelwa ngumoya
they are the
kaNkulunkulu
children of God.
bayawubizwa abantwana bakaNkulunkulu.
Wena.
What about you?
Whose child are you?
Ungumngane kabane?
Lo moya usifundisa ukuxolela,
This spirit teaches us to forgive,
ufundisa uthanda.
teaches us to love.
Akasifundisa ukuthanda isonto lethu.
Does not teaches us to love only the
Ah,
soulmate.
ah.
No.
Abapostoli abazange bathunywe emasontweni abo.
The apostles were never sent to their own
uJesu
churches.
Kristu uthi,
Jesus Christ said,
hambani nibenze abafundi
go and make disciples,
zonke inhlanga.
all nations.
Umpostoli uthunywe emntwini,
An apostle is sent to another man.
akathunywa sontweni
He's never
lakhe.
sent to his own church.
Uyangizwa Nkambule?
Yakuzwa Nkosi.
Ukambule. Ungizwa kahle?
Yakuzwa Nkosi.
Aha. Asifunde ukuthandana.
Let us learn to love one another.
Izosinceda lento.
That will really help us.
Awuthi ke ngikutshela into yokugcina.
Let me tell you the last thing.
Ake sithi uyibonile ke lento yakho imbi.
Let us say you have seen this thing that is bad.
Kukho lona oyenzileyo lento.
There's this one who has done this.
Kukho wena oyibonileyo.
There's this you who have seen this.
Umuphi ogcwele inkohlakalo phakathi kwalo nalo?
Who is the one who's full of cruelty between the one who committed and the one who have sinned?
Okay, fine. Umthunywa kahle kaSathana. Omuphi kukhona lo?
Who is the real messenger of the devil between
Kukhona
this
lo
one?
ohambe ethuka lo.
This one going around
Umtholo
insulting this one.
wabazalwane la omuphi?
Who is the accuser of the brethren here?
Awuboni ukuthi uzenza uyinqambi phambi kobuso bukaNkulunkulu.
Can't you see that you make yourself to be
Mawabo
vile for the
ukhuluma
face of
izinto
God?
ongazazi nawe.
Saying things that you don't know yourself.
Uthi uJesu Kristu lapha.
Jesus Christ says,
Uthi mawulibona isikize endaweni engcwele.
when you see a disgrace from the
Uthi
holy place,
ungabhekani nalo.
he says, don't look at it.
Uthi thoba ini
Lower your.
usiza wena.
He's trying to help
Ngcono
you.
ungaboni
Better not to see
kunokubona.
than to see.
Uhambe uthunywa uSathana.
And you are sent by the devil.
Umosha bonke abantu
And you are messing all the people up
ngenxa yamehlo akho.
because of your own eyes.
Wasuse lamehlo.
Remove your eyes.
Akuve kumnandi ukuba mnandi.
How wonderful it is to be nice.
Uyazi mawumnandi
When you are all nice,
wamkela labo bakuthukayo
you accept all those who insult you,
ngoba uyabazi into yokuthi
for you know that
abayazi into abayenzayo.
they know not what they are doing.
Ngoba uyazi futhi
And you know also that,
ukuthi uJesu Kristu
that Jesus Christ,
uthi
he says, be happy and rejoice.
mabethe bathini banithuka
When they are insulting you,
bekhuluma zonke izinto eziyamanga
saying all the things that are
kodwa
lies,
maziyiqiniso zilungise.
but if they are correct, if they are true, they correct them.
Gcoba
Be rejoiceful,
uma
rejoiceful
zingamanga
if they are lies.
kodwa uma ziqinisile lezi zinto
But
bazikhulumayo
if the things that they are saying are truth,
awuzibheke
look at it.
ukuthi uhamba kanjani
Where are you walking?
ulungisa indlela zakho.
And correct your ways.
uNkulunkulu
God
uyoba noxolo ngawo.
will have peace upon you.
Indoda eyayithandaza
A man who was praying,
yafika indoda eyayithi yona ikhipha okweshumi ihamba kahle esontweni.
he came to a man who says, I pay tithes, I do all the things.
Uthi uJesu
ordinances."
ithandaza eduze nomuni.
Jesus is saying that he was praying next to the
Kodwa
sinner.
umehluko wale ndoda
The difference with this man
eyitusa ukuthi ihamba kahle
that is priding himself that he's doing all what is good.
ukuthi iyayitusa.
It's just that he's priding
Ayilindele
himself.
uNkulunkulu ukuthi ayiphakamise.
He doesn't wait for God to lift
Iyaziphakamisa
him up.
yona.
He's lifting himself
Lena
up.
ngapha
This one on the other
ithi
side,
hayi umfowethu yonke lento ayikhuluma ngami yisikhohlakali
he
ngempela.
says, yes, indeed, all what they are saying about me is true. I'm
Ngicela
the cruel man.
usizo.
I'm what I am.
Ngixolele Nkosi.
Forgive me,
ungisize
Lord.
ngaphinde ngene kulento umfowethu akhuluma ngayo.
And help me not to enter
Uthi-ke
what the brother
uJesu,
is saying to me. Jesus says,
Uyathola ifavor kuNkulunkulu
this man received favor from God.
ngoba uyazibona izono zakhe.
For he is able to
There's
confess
power
his sins.
in confession.
Kukhona amandla
Uma
ekuchazeni izono.
nithi izono zenu
If your own sins,
niziconfesse,
you confess them,
uthembekile,
he is trustworthy.
uyonixolela ini
He will
izono
forgive you
zenu.
your own trespasses and sins.
Uma uthi zakho izono uzimboze,
If you cover up your
ufuna
own
uzenza
sins
ngcono
and you make yourself a better person
ngabanye,
about other people,
uthembekile
he
futhi
is also trustworthy.
uyokushiya esogwini
He will leave you in hell.
ngoba ufuza uyihlo
For you are resembling your father,
umtyholi.
who is the accuser.
Ngikhuluma kambi? Hayi uthando lungaka. Hayi ngepha. Hayi uthando lungaka. Hayi ngepha.
Washuminyame Unyana katika ufiki, wasini